Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do our unboxing and our review of the Infinix Smart 10. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here. So we have here another product guys. So this is the Infinix Smart 10. So we actually got this one today. So let's do our unboxing. So I actually got this one guys for around 3,000 pesos. But because I bought this one online, so it's quite cheaper. But if you buy this one at the store, then it would actually cost around 4,000 pesos, or more or less $100. Yes. So let's check this one out here. Okay. So this is the box. Okay, it's in green, and it actually has the Infinix AI, and it's 120 Hz with 700 nit bright display, 300% volume, and it's dual speaker and IP64 and dust and water resistant. Okay, and we have also here it's 4.5G network already. So let's open this one guys. So this is actually like a good smartphone if you just want for your parents. Yes, that you can they can actually just browse the media, social media, and yes. So let's have here. Let's open this one. Okay. So let's set this aside. It's a phone. Let's see what's in the box. So we have here your Type-C charger. It's in here. And the charger, not the battery. What else? We have here the manual and the warranty. So, and we have here the SIM ejector pin. Okay, it's in here. What else? So we have here the case. So it's kind of like a plasticky case, but it's not silicone. It's kind of like a hard case. It's nice. So those are in the box. So let's look at the phone. Wow, when you look at it guys, it looks really nice and it's premium. And we have here the camera. Okay, on the sides we have here and the speaker, and at the bottom, so you have here the Type-C port, and it has also 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, so let's turn it on. It has already a screen protector, so let's turn it on. So it's here. Alright guys, so I have set it up. So this is our Infinix Hot 10. So it's pretty smooth as you can see. And let's check the camera. Okay. Yeah. So we have here. So this is the output. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. It has also the recording. So when you record the video, it has also 2K. Can you imagine guys? It has a 2K at 30 FPS. Yes. So it's like this. Alright guys, so for the price, it's not bad. Yes, and all you can get this one guys for less than $100. So if you want a present or give a present to your friends or your loved ones without hurting your budget, so this one is for you. So guys, let me know about your thoughts about the Infinix Smart 10 in the comments section. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and we'll see you guys in our next video.